In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bitstamp. So Bitstamp is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. So first, before we start, let's create an account. So make sure you are on the official website of Bitstamp. And now, on the upper right corner, you will see here the login button and the get started button. So if you don't have an account yet, you can click the get started button. But if you already have or created an account, you can just click the login and it skip this tutorial. So now, let's click this get started. So in here, you will need to input your first name, last name, and your email address. So on with your date of birth. So we'll enter my name, so Sandra, and then I will enter my birthday. So 2003, July 6, and click this continue. So wait for it to load up. So in here, you will need to select a country of where you are resident. So for example, Philippines. So click on that and then just agree the terms and policy. So on, continue. So wait for it to load up. And now you'll need to check your email or Gmail. So check your Gmail. So look for that. And as you can see in here, we've received a email from Bitstamp. Now click this confirm email. And in here you'll need to create a password. So for example is So just copy that and then paste it the confirm password. Okay, it doesn't match, so then click continue. So wait for it to load up. So now you'll need to start your verification. So you'll need to upload a documents in order to use the Bitstamp. So since I couldn't verify my account in here because I tried it before, let's assume that we finished this step. So first, once you access the main interface or the home page of the Bitstamp, you will see there a deposit from the dashboard. So in there, to deposit funds, like I said, you will see there the deposit from dashboard. Select a payment method. You can use a bank transfer. For example, if you are on Europe, you can use SEPA or SEPA or the wire transfer for international users. And then you can also use a credit or debit card and also a crypto deposit transfer from an external wallet and then follow the instructions to complete the deposit. So now if you want to buy or sell a crypto, you can navigate the trade sections on the Bitstamp platform and then choose your trading pair. For example, is BTC, USD, or Ethereum. And then select an order type. It could be a market order, limit order, or stop order. And then confirm the transaction to complete the trade. So now for the withdrawing funds, you can go to the withdraw section and then choose the withdrawal methods. And then you will see there a crypto wallet and a bank transfer. So choose any withdrawal method you want to use and then enter the amount and confirm the withdrawal request. And then for security and account management, you can enable the 2FA to protect your account and use withdrawal whitelist to prevent unauthorized transfer. Regularly check for suspicious activity and update your password. And by following this step, you can efficiently use Bitstamp to trade and manage your crypto assets securely. And that's how to use Bitstamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.